Today is my birthday. I'm riding alone, but that's okay. Today's my birthday, so I need to go out for at least a quick little rip. After I clean up my mess, of course, because it's already getting all over my powder coat, making stains. Dunk it in there, soak some up. Gotta bring a bunch of zip ties because I'm gonna try to mount the 360 camera a couple different ways while I'm out. See if she fires up first hit. It's been a few weeks. Nope. Nope. There she goes. Come on. Stay running. I turned 30 today, so I'm officially old man. But what do? I got the Crocs on. So I'm just gonna take a lap or two through town, and then on the way home I'm gonna pull over. I'm gonna rig up a new mount for the 360 camera, at least attempt to. See if I can get some cool angles with that or not. We'll see. Haven't tried it yet, so it's gonna be try as we buy. Man, I haven't been over here since that time I parked over there and took a picture with the bridge in the background of my bike. That was probably like 3 years ago. I haven't been over here since. Take a little stroll through here. See what's cracking. Yeah, I parked it right here. Got that bridge in the background. That like semi going over it, looked pretty cool. The water's so low, this is all like usually underwater. I don't know, they're doing some stuff. I don't even know if this goes all the way around or not. I don't remember. Yuck, I bet that is just gross right there. All those, what are those things, seagulls? Honestly got lost for a second, didn't know where I was, had to like weave through back roads to find a main road to figure out where I was. Now I know where I'm at. I'm in that reflection right there looking just 30, I guess. This thing is running a little weird too. It's almost like it's got a vacuum leak somewhere. It's got like a rougher idle than it usually does, especially when it's like cold start and it's warming up. It doesn't like to run very good until it's like fully warmed up. Like it's running fine, but idle just seems like it's a little iffy compared to normal. Usually would idle pretty good. I don't know. Pull the carb off, check the boot. One of these days, check the gasket, the manifold, whatever. Give her a peek see. This guy's just weaving up here. Relax. Tuesday. I want somebody to try to race me. I want to race some cars on this thing. Hopefully I get the front spot and some red lights and I can taunt some people into racing me from a dig. That'd be cool. Because I'll race anything just to do it. Like this guy. Want a piece? I hate when people stop like this. And I'm always all worried about the person behind me if they're going to stop. Or smush me into the back of this car. Especially when they wait till the last second like that guy and then get over so the people behind him can't see and they're going to keep going speed and then smoke me. Hate it. People are dumb. I'm going to get squished like a bug. This dude just gave me the, whatever you call it, hand signal. Damn, that van just launched it. We gotta go race that van. Gotta go race that van. He's up for it. He just dig launched nobody. This guy's getting it too. Oh, this dude, he's ready. don't even know what kind of bike that is, but sounds neat. He's getting it. I don't know if I want to get a ticket today or not, but he's getting it. I'm already speeding. Now I'm gonna go to a park and try to get this mount for the 360 camera hooked up and give that a whirl, see if it does anything cool, which is like 10 miles away from here, completely other side of town, but that's fine, because that'll just be, this is my ride today, so once I get there I'll test that out and then head toward home and see what it looks like. Alright, first things first, I just saw a house that had like Halloween stuff in their yard, and it looks like they take Halloween serious, so I need to go drive by and take a look at that, see how much they really did. Alright, I think it's right around this corner. Yeah, look at that. Jesus. They do not mess around. Whole yard full. Clowns and shit. I thought that was a garage sale at first, because those people up there were walking by. And I thought it was a garage sale until I saw everything else. Nope, they're just dumb serious about Halloween. I'm literally just doing like 60 down this hill, Sheriff. Right in front of me, don't even know it. Didn't even know it the whole time. I'm flying up on him doing like 70 and like a 35. That's good. That's what we want. I never take this way either, and the second I do, boom, Sheriff. What's up, bud? Hopefully you ain't got none of that rear radar garbage, because if you do, hopefully you think it was this truck next to me, because she was flying too. Oops. I'll straight up tell him, look at this thing. You think this thing can go that fast? Dude, that truck was flying past me. Watch me talk my way out of it, if he even tries something. So I'm gonna go this way. See ya, bud. Get away from me. Dumb. 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 So dumb. This light looks like it's going to take forever, so I'm cutting through the parking lot. Look at that. Won't catch me waiting, buddy. Now watch. Oh, great. Look at that. Light turned green. Here I am waiting for the people I just waited on. Nice. Plan worked out good. Just called that smart car dumb, and look at me. Cool. Appreciate it. Appreciate that. That was cool. I missed second gear, so it went to neutral. So it's just sitting there revving. And then when I did click it in the second, it brought it straight up and rode it out. Now I feel like my shifter feels funny, like I messed something up. Probably did, I don't know. Whatever. So basically what I'm going to do is just zip tie this to this piece of cardboard. So that way when it's in my backpack, it doesn't move around a whole lot, in theory. Oh, this is a smaller zip tie. That's not going to do me no good. Now I just got to see this thing start. Okay. Or my kick lever is just broke. Dude, what the hell? There we go. Stressing me out. Now, I'm gonna ride this thing home like this and see what it looks like when I get back. Probably look like a fool, but don't care, you know? I really just kind of want to do a wheelie now. Over the bridge. Could you imagine just hitting that? Boom! Just launching. I mean, I'll admit, I think about it, but could never do it. I'll put the footage from the 360 camera up at the end. Do a quick wheelie, I guess. But yeah, there wasn't a whole lot going on today. Birthdays on Tuesdays aren't, you know, they aren't that great. People are working or busy, so best I had for not having much time to ride either.